All right, today we've got the ATA GDO-8 version 3 roller door opener on this big glider roll double roller door. It's a bit undersized, but it's been doing the job for quite some time. It's probably 10 years old now, so you can't complain. So we're going to recalibrate this motor or opener by using the orange set button. So if you hold this down for a few seconds, the door will run through an automatic cycle and recalibrate the force margin that it needs to operate the garage door. Now manually the force is set to maximum, but this will remap the door and usually it'll be happy for another 6 to 12 months. It's getting on its last legs. I'd say this will need to be replaced in the next year or two. But every 12 months, generally, you need to recalibrate your garage door openers that have this feature. They do usually automatically calibrate after maybe every 50 operations, but as they get older, they're quite worn. So that should buy this customer another 12 months, at least 6 to 12 months. And then they can easily do this themselves again until it needs replacing. So there you go, that's how you recalibrate your GDO-8 roller door opener. On that roller door, bloke, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next great garage door tip.